Good morning, everybody. Okay, so it's nearly Christmas. It's my last working week. I'm actually scraping this. You know me, most of the work I do is washing roofs, but I do offer scraping. Some people are dead against washing roofs, so they ask for scraping, and that's fine by me, that's no problem, but I do charge accordingly. I charge more for scraping a roof because it's more physical. Don't get me wrong, all roof cleaning is hard, it's difficult. Whatever method you choose to do, but I would definitely say that scraping is slightly more taxing on the body. So yeah, I charge more. Anyway, let's stop talking about it. The way that this house is set up and the way that the sort of borders are, I'm not going to be able to get a good view. But actually, look, let's go and walk around. Let's see. I don't think you'll be able to look at it very well, but we'll take the drone up, and that'll give you a better view. Okay guys, so I'm up on the scaffold ready to go. So you can see where I am here. So I'm just on the corner. I've got nowhere to mount my camera so you can watch me scrape this. So I'm just not going to bother. You know I'm going to scrape it. I'll show you the after pictures, but I can't mount the camera, so I'm just going to do it from here. But yeah, I'm just going to get that done now, and then I'll start recording when I start this side. today. I think it's about 3:30, so it'll be dark soon. I've literally just got a tiny little bit there to do. I know it looks rough, but that is scraping for you. And I know some of you that scrape are probably thinking you should get more off than that, but it just doesn't need it. The hypo is going to absolutely annihilate this, and it's going to come up lovely and clean and looking like new. You mark my words. Anyway, I'll see you in the morning. Cheers. Hi guys, so look, it's the end of the day. I haven't done any filming. I've been, if I'm honest with you, I've been feeling really rough today, so I just wasn't really in the mood for filming. All I was doing was just cleaning up sweeping up moss and stuff like that, which you don't really need to see. The roof was completed yesterday, so big shout out to Arron from Alpha View Window Cleaning. Arron's been here today. He's been doing the gutters, fascias and soffits, because the customer was quite keen for that to be done. That's not something I offer, so I subbed that out to Arron. He's kindly come down and helped me do that today. So they're looking amazing. Good job, Arron, really good job. Nice and shiny, everything's looking good. He cleaned all the windows afterwards as well. Proper thorough job. So yeah, big up Arron, thank you very much. So Arron's actually got his own channel on YouTube. He hasn't posted in a while, but his channel was going really well until he sort of stopped posting. So if you want to go and have a look at his channel and give him some love, then please do. So I'm going to send the drone up and we'll get some shots that way. But yeah, I mean, look, it's come out pretty nice. I mean, look, the fact is, when you scrape, it never looks as good as pressure washing. That's just the way it is. But I mean, it's come up pretty nice considering it's such an old roof. 90-year-old roof, that is. Well, that section is there. That's an extension. I'm not sure how old that is, but that section there is 90 years old. So considering how old it is, it's looking pretty nice. Okay guys, well, I'm off now for Christmas. So yeah, I'll see you on the next video.